What's up, everyone? Human Hobbybox here doing our group break number 842, single tin of 1415. I'll predict the cup. It was team select, $6 and up. And here are the spot holders. Tag coming for Nashville. I can already smell it. There it is, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's pull everyone. One card. It's impossible, but we'll try. 5521. This is box number 1 from the case that we opened.
Yeah, HB604, that's right.
What about it?
He's asking what's
Yeah,
username.
that's the username. Ah, it worked. Come on, come on. Let's get a big hit.
Good luck, all.
This one's jammed in. Okay, there it is. Looks like we have a gold. We have gold coming. Why is my camera weird angle? See, like this is
like
supposed
it's
to be straight.
cocked.
Yeah. I don't know. Okay, there it is. Good luck, everyone. Here we go with the first one. It is for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Number 203 of 249, Ben Bishop. Woohoo! Slick Rick. Oh, I thought it was him. I thought it was Duran. Number 37 of 249, a rookie patch auto for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Andrei Vasilevsky.
Still a solid one.
Still not bad at all. It just sucks when they have two of the same team in a box like that. A very nice hit coming up for the New York Islanders. 11 of 15. Dual signature patches. John Tavares and Kyle Okposo. Denny, why didn't you buy the Islanders in this one? Come on, Denny. You bought them in the last one. You didn't buy it in this one. This is definitely a Denny kind of card. Nice hit for the Isles. We have a gold rookie autograph for the Boston Bruins, number 9 of 25, Seth Griffith. There's your first cup hit, Mr. Daniel MG. You got your first corner with me, and now your first cup card. Gold rookie auto, Seth Griffith. Next up is for the Pittsburgh Penguins Trios jersey card, Chris Kunitz, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Evgeny Malkin. 20 of 25. Kunitz, Fleury, Malkin for Pittsburgh. That is John T as well. And last but not least, it is a redemption. Rookie patch auto to 249 for the Nashville Predators, Kyle Yarncrux. It's not the one that I wanted, but I'll take it.
You were the first defender I faced.
That was it, guys. No multi to do. That's what thing about the cup. It is a quick break. It was a nice tin overall. No case hit yet. Hopefully it's in the final 3 tins that we have there. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll be back with more shortly.